Welcome back, friends, on this series of React.js on my channel, Varteta Learning Platform. And in today's video, I will show you that how you can create a component based on the class. In the last video, we saw that how you can create a component which is based on a function, which was a functional component. So you can see the previous video, and you can see that how I have used it inside the index.js and how I have rendered it. So this was looking something like this. So today I'm going to tell you that how you can create a component which is based on a class. So you just need to add one folder here. If you don't want to add a folder, you can skip it. But I'm just adding this folder just to keep the things, just to keep the code in a more managed, so that I can have different set of folders for different purposes that I'm teaching you. So here I'm just going to add a new folder which is named as student, and inside this student I'm just going to add one new file, and the name of the file is student.js. And again, inside student.js you need to add two packages. One is React DOM and one is React and the other one is React DOM. So you need to first import this React, and then you need to import React DOM from React DOM. So these are the two components that you need to import, and then I'm going to write a class, and the name of the class is student extends component. And inside this class I just need to create a render function. Just need to define a render function. Inside this render function I just need to return what I want to return. So it's like div and h3 hi from student. Okay, so this is how you can create a simple class component. And here you can write like export student, export default student. Okay. Now I just want to use this student component inside my index.js. So what I will do, I will simply do something like this: student from student/student.js. You don't need to write the .js, I've already told you. And here I'm just going to write student slash, so that I just want to render one more component with name student. So here you can see that it has been compiled, and if you will see here, you can see a message hi from student. Okay, one more thing. So in the last video we saw that how you can have the properties for the functional component, and based on those properties you can display the values on your web browser, on the web page. So similarly we can do the same thing here inside the class based component. Okay, you just need to do something like this. Like here you don't need to provide this something like prop. There is a property, there is a access of property. You can access the property in the class component using this dot props, this dot props dot property name. So if you want to add the property name, say name, so you can just do it here with name, and then inside the index.js you can provide the name property here. Name is equal to Dhananjay. That's it. And now if you see, you will see hi from student Dhananjay. So you just need to take care of this thing, that for displaying the properties in a class based component, you just need to use this dot props. Through this dot props you can access every property for this student or for this component, whatever you have defined. Okay, so if I come here index.js, and if I write something like this, address is equal to Noida, And if I come back here in student.js and then I write something like h3, the address, the this dot props dot name lives in this dot props dot address. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Hi from student Dhananjay. The Dhananjay lives in Noida. So you can see that any number of properties you keep adding, all those can be accessed through this dot props dot that property name. So this was all about the class components, the basics of the class components. We will see about the state of a class and what is the meaning of the state of a class and how you can manage the dynamic content on your web browser. That we will discuss in the next video, in the coming videos. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye-bye, and keep sharing my videos with your friends so that they can also benefit from it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.